Hi, good morning. Guys, we are on the 75th floor on the Wow Hotel building. I'll show the amazing view. Now look at this view. I'm on the 75th floor. I can see the sky. I cannot see any roads. You see the buildings? You can see the Burj Khalifa and the people working on the walls. Look the view. Okay. Look at the view. Oh, it's amazing. And there is a road. Normally I can see the road below, but now I cannot see. I'm above the sky. Wow. Amazing. I'll zoom it a little bit. See? This is the Damak Tower. I can see. This is the Damak Tower. I don't know whether I can zoom properly. Yes.